basic walkthrough on how to file a provisional patent. A provisional patent is a patent to where your product doesn't even have to be developed. It protects your thoughts. It protects your idea of your patent. And what you do is you go to the USPTO website, and you're gonna go and you're gonna follow the menu, and you'll look for a provisional patent. And it's gonna guide you to, I don't know the section in the codes, but it's gonna give you like 2 different codes that you go to. And then it's gonna ask you if you have an account, or do you wanna, cause you got, there's 2 ways to file, either electronically or through the mail. So if you have an account, you can file electronically. So you fill out the paperwork for the account. It's gonna, you're gonna have to get something notarized also, and then you send it, and they'll give you a client ID number. They're gonna send it back to you. And once you got that, you can do the patent all online. But if you don't have that and you wanna do it without doing it like online, you can still start the process and you file without being a registered user. And then after you file, it's the same process. You file, you do the paperwork. It's simple. It's basically what you're doing is you're just writing down your ideas. It's a questionnaire. It's gonna question you right through it. What does your device do? How does your device work? What's the difference? If there's any device like yours on the market, what is the difference between your device and that device? How does yours improve that device? And what you do if you have drawings, simple drawings, you don't need a professional. You can have regular drawings of what your ideas are, and you're gonna add those into the thing, and you file it. It's very simple, because all you're gonna do is do all of the steps, and then file, and then they'll send you an email, and in that email it's gonna tell you that it's a small price, because they have micro, which is like $75 to file, and then they have one medium, which is like $150, and then there's a big one for $300. You know, if your idea is small, you only need to file micro. If this is medium idea, you file $150. And once that's done, they're gonna get back to you, and it's gonna take a process. They get back to you through the email, and then once they get back to you, you send the money order to the information, or what's the name, or you finish your account, and by the time your account is finished, and what they do is this also, it's a little trick that they do, right? Because it only costs us $75, but they will, once you file it, this is one advice. If you're not in a rush, I would suggest that you go through the whole process of setting up your account. Because if you don't have your account set up, once your idea is in their system and you don't pay right then and there, they're gonna charge you a late fee. And there's no way really getting around it unless you have your whole account set up with them. The late fee is only $15 for a small one, $30, $45 for the big one. And that's basically how you file a provisional patent, and that'll protect your idea.
So basically you don't need an attorney to do that on your behalf.
You don't need no attorney to do it on your behalf. It's simple. And if you want to, you can go to they have websites that help you for free. That help you file provisional patent for free. They have all the questionnaires inside their thing, and you just fill it all out, and then you download it to your computer, and then you just put it in the inside the USPTO patent questionnaire. You just put it in there. You just upload the files. Only thing you have to do, as far as filing, they're gonna ask you your name, your address, your email, your phone number, and then you can just upload the whole patent. Whatever your idea is, you just upload it. You already have it configured. You already have it configured in your whatever phone, your files, or whatever your downloads, and you just upload the file in a PDF form.
Amazing.
And that's it.
Thank you so very much,
You're
Tarek,
welcome.
bro, for your time.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.